Here's how to monitor CPU temperature and get an alert on overheating on your Android phone. Now go ahead and open the App Store and you want to search for this app, which is CPU Monitor. Go ahead and tap on install to install the app. After installation, tap on open. Here you find the usage of your device, temperature, your CPU information and usage information. You can also scroll down to find other information such as your system, memory, battery, hardware and screen. You also have the option to optimize your device. To get an alarm on overheating, tap on the settings gear at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see overheating alarm. Toggle on this. You should see more settings. Under alarm threshold, you can tap on CPU, choose a percentage to get notified when your phone starts overheating. You can tap here and enter the percentage, tap on OK, and you get notified when your phone gets to that temperature. You can also do this for your battery and choose the minimum alarm interval. If you're someone who prefers the Fahrenheit, you can toggle it on in this section. If you want to display your current CPU, RAM and battery usage, simply tap on floating windows and you can choose which widget you want to be displayed. You can also choose and customize the colors in this section. To choose, toggle on the option you want and tap on OK. Under display over other app, tap on CPU monitor and give it permission to display over other apps. Now go back to the app and toggle on this again. You now see a floating widget showing you the option you've chosen to display. So thank you for watching this video. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips.